My name is Yuri Lewicky. I'm an orthopedic surgeon at Northern Arizona Orthopedics, and I specialize in shoulder and knee arthroscopy and sports medicine. Essentially anything that can go wrong with a shoulder and knee, I'm typically seeing in a week multiple times. I do see from the littlest to the oldest. I don't exclude based on age. We're in Flagstaff. This is an outdoor mecca. Regardless of your age, you want to be able to walk outside your door and be out in the forest in 5 minutes, and that's what kind of Flagstaff's all about. This practice really focuses on trying to get people back to health for the reasons that we all enjoy being healthy and being out there doing things. Athletes are being redefined. An athlete isn't simply someone who's in college or professional. I mean, everybody that's out there hitting it hard is an athlete these days. Surgery, in my opinion, usually is the last choice. Now granted, there is black and white things out there. Broken bone, that's not going to heal, you got to fix that. But a lot of times it is education, educating the patient on this is what's going on. Your body does have an innate ability to heal, and have you exhausted that resource? Have you thought of other modalities? And so certainly it is a discussion, and I think that's the beauty of medicine. That's the art of medicine, being able to actually stand with that patient, discuss that, and say, this is the trajectory of your care. And part of what I do, again, is trying to let an individual understand how much can I help them, what's realistic, and help them to learn what their new normal can be. A lot of patients will come and say, you're the boss, doc, you tell me what to do. And I turn that right around and say, it's your body. You need to tell me what you have done, what you think's going on, and how you're going to help participate to make it better. When I was studying back in college, someone had once told me that the purpose of my job was to create a stable foundation, and then the patient has to build the house. And I think that's a good way of thinking about it. The mind needs the body to move, to be healthy, and I felt like that was my calling.